Oh, it started.
Yep, it's starting. So interesting. I was practicing yesterday my observing skills.
How'd that go?
How'd that go?
How'd that go? Yeah.
Um, it's all right. The like floating camera is kind of hard to get used to.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I was playing around with that as
Oh,
well.
Snake was allowed to be breach. I think I was pretty good at recording most of the action, so I mean, we'll see what
Ah,
happens here.
nice.
I'm bottom frag this game.
Huh?
You're not even playing. You're so funny.
Nobody's gonna
They're
take bottom
playing
frag from me.
Ascent again?
Yeah, that's their map. I'm really curious to
Oh.
see how
How
they
do you guys
do.
decide who chooses the maps?
I
Oh, it
don't
was
know.
supposed to be random, but then the team leaders just chose. Like me, yeah. Me
But then
and
who
Splash
decides
talked
to?
about it.
Oh, you guys decided who could choose it first and
Yeah,
second?
yeah. I
Ah,
was like, I
makes
don't,
sense.
yeah.
Alright, I left it. I have your jersey on.
We have high hopes for Team Full House.
I really like that name, to be honest.
Yeah, me too.
Reminds me of poker. I love playing poker, so
Oh, you do? You
yeah.
gamble?
Yes. Ever since I turned 18.
Nice.
3 years now. It's not an issue.
For 3 years.
Are you
No?
good at gambling?
Yeah.
Wow.
Revealing area.
I think the most I've won in roulette was 1,200?
Damn, you played roulette?
Yeah. 1,200? Made it in 2 hours.
Wait, how'd she get up there?
They're not in here, right? I can talk. Omen's going for
Yeah,
that
yeah. You could
flank.
talk.
Crazy.
Right here.
I don't think James. He doesn't know.
Revealing area.
Looks like going mid.
Oh,
Nice. Good
nice.
trades.
Nice. Good trades, yeah.
Satchel out. Satchel out.
Headshot.
Nice.
There you go.
Nice.
Dang. Yeah.
I just played really passive.
Oh yes, we could talk. Right.
Yeah, there's no James to tell people to be quiet.
We survive.
Nice recon arrow from was it Alethi playing Sova?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Revealing area.
Oh wow, they took sight
They
so
have
quick.
sight. Yeah.
Did.
They hard stack when they push.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, James is going for it.
Revealing area.
They got it. They got it.
They got it. They got it.
Last player standing.
Okay.
Nice.
There you go. I don't think they got it though.
Uh,
No, go back for his bulldog.
Oops. Oh, everybody can see that, right?
yeah.
I know.
So funny. Yeah.
It was a fight. Let's fight.
Oh no, it's Leslie.
Okay. Player standing. Oh, got one. Spike planted. Placing swarm grenade.
Out of charges.
I think his best thing is to save.
Yeah. I think that's what Mochi's telling him to do.
Bot. Recalling my bot.
Wow, Kojoy has her ult already.
oh wow.
Yeah.
Swarm grenade out.
Dirty content. Breach is so expensive to have.
He is. He's pretty expensive.
Oh,
Spike planted. Placing swarm grenade. Enemy remaining. Last player standing.
gonna ult out of there.
Clutch.
Yeah.
Oh.
Save some money.
Yeah, he's broke. He had to.
Yeah. Crazy. Oh wow, Ace is
Ah.
going for it. Ace is going for an op.
Damn, he beat him with y'all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
God.
Oh my god.
I didn't get to see that.
Ace, holy
was such a
shit. Wow.
No, I
That was
missed it.
crazy.
Oh,
It's okay.
it was.
I have it recorded, so
Oh my
that
gosh.
was wild.
That was pretty wild.
That was wild. Well played. Oh. They all just lined up for him and they like walked right into his crosshairs as they were rushing. That's crazy.
Oh my god. That Reyna got launched.
Yeah. By her own teammate?
No, by James. He ulted.
Oh. I didn't know that. Thank you.
Ready.
Nice shot.
Planted.
Nice shot.
Mochi's feeling good now.
Yeah,
Mhm.
for sure.
Placing alarm bot. One enemy remaining. Thrifty.
Damn, they won on the safe run.
Looks like it.
We survived. Satchel out.
Revealing area. Found them.
Shut up, Leslie.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a nice shot.
Shock dart. Shock dart.
Thank
I'm gonna watch this game from the sky.
you.
Revealing area. Nowhere to run!
Spike planted. Last player standing.
Revealing area.
One enemy remaining. Standing.
Turn around.
Wow. really good at like picking people off.
Yeah. I feel like they play a lot as a team,
I think so
Yeah,
too.
right?
Yeah.
so they have really good communication and they
Mhm.
know the way they play already.
Yeah. Oh, B site is clear.
Oh, they're gonna take it. Well, they're gonna
Oh,
pick.
yikes. They hard stacked A.
Do you guys know how to change into like ghost mode? What key binding that is?
What's ghost mode?
Or like the one where you can like float around or whatever?
That's
It's
B.
V.
V? Okay.
Yeah.
I see. Thanks. Cool.
Almost.
Yeah. Crazy.
Yikes.
Get really bad flashbacks in this map.
PTSD.
Yeah.
Oh.
We played them
Yeah,
twice here, and it was
tough.
just.
It was tough, yeah. They're good at attacking and defending on this map. Like,
I don't know how they're gonna do it in defending.
nice shot.
Take flight. Nowhere to run!
One enemy remaining.
Nice, James.
30 seconds left. Ten seconds left.
Nice.
Last round before the switch.
Mochi.
I got money. Need something?
Op.
Yeah, he had an off background.
Yeah. Oh, he had an op button. I didn't see
Yeah,
that.
Here. You should run.
Shock dart.
Damn, nice.
Nice. Oh, she's gonna get detained though.
Yeah.
Oh, yikes.
He baited though.
Oh, nice. Yeah. That was a good bait. Good trade.
One enemy remaining.
Nice shot. Ooh.
Nice.
Good.
Nice.
That was a really good
That was
bait.
a really good. Yeah,
That was.
that was.
Switching sides.
Sova and Killjoy are gonna be B. That's how they play.
And they're always on site.
And then the Sova's gonna arrow. Killjoy always puts her kill the same around the same places.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Well, she knows, I think, though.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think so too.
It's just if they listen to him or not.
We watched them
Yeah.
push you guys last time.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we knew too. Like, they're always there, and like, she always puts her like, cause I play Killjoy, so like, I would do this exact same setup she does. But it's whether or not you can take one of them out first.
Oh, he plays it. Played it
Last
down.
player standing.
Oh, they're gonna pinch her.
Yeah. Aw.
The effort.
Nice.
Revealing area.
Splash always does that too. Banging.
Out of charge.
Yeah. He likes the wall bang.
Mhm.
But
I hate him.
He likes to wall bang with an Odin.
I just don't like the Odin.
ooh.
Last player standing. 30 seconds left.
Got his Odin back.
Deploying drone.
Yeah, Reina knows how to play that tree area really good.
Yeah. Arena's pretty good.
30 seconds left. Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Oh. That was close. Good try.
Teabagging.
Teabag.
Mikey doesn't have to complain about people taking his kills now. Okay.
Is that what he was saying last time?
Did he say that you were taking his kills or something?
Did he?
No, he got mad because I scared him.
Oh, right, there's that.
I think he got mad because Dixon was stealing all his kills.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, they're having a little convo.
Deploying drone.
He's probably yelling at him.
I am the hunter!
Has
Revealing
Mochi's
area.
team tried to rush them?
Um, not really, I would say.
Last player standing.
Close.
Flawless.
Okay. You just gotta win
Match
at least
point.
2 more rounds.
Going back to this guy.
This guy.
Yeah.
Wow, say Mikey heard you. He looked up at the sky.
He knows.
I chose a bad time to go up to the sky.
Oh.
That last game.
All the things.
Enemy down.
Oh, they're hard.
Well, she's trying to take side now.
Oh,
Last player standing. Defenders win.
I need to clip that ace for Mochi. That was crazy.
yeah.
It's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Good job, you guys.
Thank you.
You guys did really well.
They're a very tough team.
Oh, yeah, they are. But you guys did really well. Especially because, they love this
Didn't
map.
feel like we did well.
Aw. No, you guys did really well. Played really well.
I still have your jersey on.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.
I'm supporting. No, you guys did good. You didn't do horrible. And so, I'm telling you, that was their map. That's their favorite
Yeah,
map. I
that's your
feel.
favorite map.
KD of 5.4?
Who, you?
Aceless.
Aceless?
That's
What?
Reina. Yeah, that's who Reina was.
How do you see that?
It's in the
Career. Oh no, we don't have it.
in the document that was
Oh, in
posted.
the document. Oh, I haven't looked at that. But yeah, that was a good game.